During the Vietnam War, the U.S. military sprayed 20 million gallons of chemical herbicides. They were attempting to destroy enemy cover in the jungle. Agent Orange was the primary herbicide used in this campaign. Still today, millions of people are concerned by the chromosomal damage it caused. Since 1978, the people and groups affected are still fighting for their compensation for the damages in various lawsuits. On May 7, 1984, the U.S. judge Jack B. Weinstein and the concerned parties agreed on an out-of-court settlement. It stated that Monsanto and Dow Chemical, who were responsible for producing the herbicides, would have to pay $180 million compensation to the U.S. veterans affected by dioxin. By settling, the plaintiffs could avoid the question of causation and not risk their case on statistical evidence, and the defendants could minimize the chance of a catastrophically high-cost jury verdict. Compensation was only paid when the disease was listed in the compensation list of the Department of Veteran Affairs, and if the concerned veteran could prove that 1. They had served the U.S. Army during the Vietnam War. 2. That they were stationed in Vietnam in this period of time. 3. That their compensable injury appeared after their service in Vietnam. And 4. That they finished their service honorably. In the end, $197 million were paid to U.S. veterans. It was the highest amount ever paid in an out-of-court settlement. But what about Vietnam? On January 31, 2004, the Vietnam Association of Victims of Agent Orange, VAVA, and several individual plaintiffs decided to sue the responsible. They claimed that the use of Agent Orange violated the 1925 Geneva Protocol, the 1949 Geneva Conventions, and the 1907 Hague Convention 4. On March 10, 2005, Jack B. Weinstein, the same judge as in the 1984 case, dismissed the lawsuit. He concluded that even though Agent Orange contained the known poison dioxin, it was not intended to be used as a poison against humans. Moreover, he said that the companies which produced the substance cannot be held responsible for the method of its use, due to what is known as government contractor defense. And finally, it is not possible to sue the U.S. government for war damages, as this is ruled out in their constitution. The lawsuit was dismissed in 5 instances between 2004 and 2009. In 2006 in South Korea, there was the first judicial leading case to the benefit of the veterans serving in the Vietnam War. The Supreme Court in Seoul sentenced several producers of the herbicide to a payment of $62 million compensation to South Korean veterans. According to their current law, the amount of dioxin contained in Agent Orange was enough to be sued as a product defect, which created a foundation for a claim for compensation. Over 40 years after the war's end, the U.S. military's use of Agent Orange still affects thousands of families today. The war has left permanent scars. It will take generations to heal the wounds.